Are you feeling this? I can't be eating a fudgesicle. I'm keto, low carb. I don't eat fudgesicles. What? It's low carb. What you talking about? No kidding. Hi everybody, it's me, Sissy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, fudgy, creamy, cold, luscious, low carb fudgesicle. Did you know sometimes you just need a fudgesicle? Fight with your boyfriend, broke up with your boyfriend, can't find a boyfriend, you know. Anyway, sometimes a girl's just gotta have something cold and soothing for her soul. So stay tuned and see how I made these delicious low carb fudgesicles. So good. So good. Okay, these are the ingredients we're going to need to make our low carb fudgesicles. Okay, I got this cute little popsicle mold. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. I think I got this one from Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart, anywhere that has the popsicle molds. And if you don't have a popsicle mold, you can just make this in a ramekin, freeze it, and just eat it with a spoon. But what we're going to need is 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa. This is 100% unsweetened cocoa. You can find this Walmart. I think I found this at Big Lots, so it was on sale. So I got 2 tablespoons of that. I've got a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, a half a cup of almond milk. Now you don't have to use the almond milk. You can use a whole cup of heavy whipping cream, but I just replaced half of it with the coconut milk to save some carbs and some calories. But you could use all almond milk, but it won't be as creamy tasting. So I'm going to kind of split it. Then I'm going to use some vanilla extract, some xanthan gum. You can omit this if you want to. This just kind of gives it a denser texture to it. So we're just going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then some liquid sweetener. I use the sucra drops. You can use Swerve. You can use erythritol. I can't say that word, but some of that low carb, no carb sweetener that they have. Just make sure that whatever you get doesn't have maltodextrin in it. So anyway, I'm going to show you how we're going to mix this up. I'm going to mix it in my NutriBullet. You can do it in a food processor or a blender, or you can just do it by hand. But this just kind of gets it all emulsified. It just gets it all blended together, so it is really smooth when it goes in our molds. And my cup is not dirty. I make turmeric tea in it, and it stains it yellow, so don't pay any attention to that. So we're going to put our cream cheese in, and that was 4 ounces of cream cheese. Then half a cup of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of almond milk, which I didn't think I was going to like almond milk till my son was staying with me, and he likes to use it in his cereal. So I gave it a try, make some smoothies with it, and it's really good. It doesn't taste like almonds to me. Then we're going to add, let's see, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Get that in. And then I'm going to just add, get this open, and I do keep my measuring spoon in here because I never measure anything else 1/8 of a teaspoon. So that's 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. Now I ordered this from Amazon, but I did see it in my Walmart the other day. So I guess low carb cooking is catching on and people are wanting it. And then I'm going to put my 2 tablespoons of cocoa in. And then you can put sweetener in to taste. I kind of like it sweet, so I'm going to put about 10 drops in here. Okay, we got that all in. Then we're going to put this on here. Get it screwed on right. Okay, and then we're just going to blend it up. All blended up, and now we're going to get it into our little mold. Once you get all your mixture in, you want to kind of clean it up a little bit. Pop your handles in and then put it in the freezer. Give it a tap on the counter to get out any air bubbles, and then put it in the freezer. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video on how I made these delicious low-carb fudgesicles. I just want to add a note. After I made this batch, I figured out a way to get them in the molds a lot easier than spooning like that. If you'll just take your mixture, put it in a Ziploc bag, snip off the end, and then put it down in each thing, you can just squeeze and fill it right on up with no problem. And I would also spray the molds with just a little bit of coconut oil before you fill them up. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy it. Make you some fudgesicles. I'm going to go finish eating this one in a nice cool spot. But remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye!